Yo, what's good, people? Welcome to another episode on my channel today. So I know you're hearing a lot about this crypto and it sounds like a whole mess. You don't know what's going on, and you're hearing about all these different cryptocurrency coins: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, SafeMoon, whatever the case may be. And the thing is, you can't find it anywhere, right? So you might be on Robinhood and you might have access to Bitcoin, Ethereum, but I'm here to help you get started on finding the coins that you might not be finding on Robinhood and such. So the first question here we're going to jump into is, it's simple. Do you just want to invest in the simple coins like, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin? Those are the popular coins. If you just want to stick with those, it's very easy. We can stick with Robinhood, especially if you're investing in the stock market as well. So a few pros for why you should stick with Robinhood if you're comfortable there. So, right, number one, you're already using it, so you kind of know how to use Robinhood, and it's very easy to use. So if you're new to the Robinhood space, you've never used it before, we're gonna quickly run through it really quick just to show you how to use Robinhood to invest in some cryptos. So first, you go into Robinhood, you click the search, and at the very top you can see popular list. It says crypto. You click on crypto, and right there, boom, you can see the cryptocurrency coins that are available. So we have Ethereum, we have Bitcoin, we have Bitcoin Cash, we have Dogecoin, and we have Litecoin. But as you can see here, there are only 7 items on this list, and it's very limited. There are a lot more cryptocurrencies available in the market than that. So you're very in a disadvantage here if you don't have access to the whole bunch. So we're gonna dive into how do you get access to the rest of the coins that you're hearing about on the news, you're hearing about on Reddit, on the rest of the internet that's going crazy. So we're gonna get started with Binance today. So really quick, go on your app store, and what you're gonna do is search up Binance, Binance. This is the biggest cryptocurrency exchange market out there, and any coin you probably want is most likely there. So you can search Binance. If you're in the United States, you have to use Binance.us. So that's the one here, not the Binance, the regular Binance. You have to use Binance.us. And if you're on your computer, just do Binance.us and it should pop up online as well. So we're gonna jump right into Binance here. So you can see when you hop in here, first thing you wanna do is create an account. And then once you create an account, you're going to have to verify your identity in the United States. So what you're gonna most likely have to do is send a proof of address and a driver's license. So once you have that done, it takes a couple minutes, and you have that done, you just add your payment method, and this is your bank or your credit card, debit card, whatever the case may be, however you're going to be buying these coins. And then once you have that set up as well, what you're going to do is go right there into the wallet screen right there in the middle, and you're going to click on this icon at the top right, and then right here you see buy crypto, and then you click on buy crypto. Here you go. So we have all the coins right here. We have Bitcoin, Ethereum, we have a lot more other coins, Solana, we have Binance coin as well here, basic attention token, Cardano. We have every single thing. The list goes on and on. So if you want the coin, it's most likely here. You can easily buy it in this format. This is more for the advanced folks out there. So there is an exchange if you want to kind of start dabbling in the exchange market. So it's not just buying a coin, but you're able to set price limits and you're able to set stop losses. So this is a little bit more advanced. If you're knowledgeable about how stop losses work, and you've kind of done that in the stock market, this is what you want to do here. For example, let's say we want to look at Solana, right? And we want to trade Solana. You just click on it here, and you're able to kind of buy it in this format as well. So as you can see here, you put your buy in, you put a limit if you want, you put a stop limit if you want, and you're able to kind of trade between different cryptos and different coins and the US dollar as well. So big tip with Binance is, number one, you have access to coins that aren't as relevant in the ones that aren't as big, the ones a lot of people don't necessarily know about. 99% of the coins that are out there are on Binance, so you have access to it very easily. And this is also pretty easy to use like Robinhood. It's not complicated at all. Once you get past the verification stage, all you really have to do is just jump in here and buy coins that you really want to buy. Click on the wallet, click on buy crypto with cash, boom. And then once your payment method is already linked, you just tell them how much you want to buy. And then once you buy, you have your coin sitting in your Binance wallet, and you're able to kind of just keep it there and trade as you go. So this is a very, very, very powerful tool. Con here for Binance is it might be a little bit more overwhelming if you're, in the stock market and you just want to keep everything in one space. By all means, go with Robinhood. But if you want to be a lot more in tune with what's going on in the cryptocurrency market, if you want to be, be able to get access to these coins that are not as popular, that have great returns, you definitely want to be in Binance because it's one of the biggest exchanges you can be in. Right, so that's Binance. That's the gist. So I'm going to give you a bonus really quick. I'm going to plug up Coinbase as well. So Coinbase is the third exchange I would recommend for you to hop into. So it's Coinbase. Once you just hop in here, it's very easy as well. You just make an account with them. Same thing as Binance. You set up your profile, you verify your identity, who you are in the United States, your driver's license, and your proof of address if they ask for that. Most likely it's just going to be your driver's license. But then after you got that set up, you just add your payment method, and then you just buy a coin the same way. So you click on this middle icon here, you buy crypto with cash. Once you're in here, you just click on the coin you want to buy, and you just go ahead and buy it. So the problem here with Coinbase though is it doesn't have the same amount of coins that Binance does. So Binance, like I said, was the largest exchange, so they have a lot of the coins there. Coinbase is very limited. They don't have a lot of coins. For example, very, very popular coin that we all know is Dogecoin, but Dogecoin is not accessible on Coinbase at this current moment. They said they are working on it, but the point is you don't have access to this if you're on Coinbase, but you do if you're on Binance. So this was just a quick video to get you plugged up into the system, get you started, get you in there. Let me know if this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions or if you face any troubles getting started, because I know this whole crypto world is a mess. It's crazy. There's a lot of different things going on. Once you're in it, it's easy to understand, oh, this is going on. But what I realized, and the reason I made this video, is because I know a lot of people out there that don't necessarily know these tools exist, and this will be very, very helpful for them getting started. One final bonus thing I want to drop for you: if you want to be in tune and you want to be up to date what's going on in the crypto market, and definitely stay plugged into this channel, because I will be bringing you big information every single time. But one last app I want you to download is called CoinMarketCap. So if you go on the App Store, it's CoinMarketCap, and once you click on and search CoinMarketCap, right here you go. This is a big app. This is a big platform. I use this every single day when I'm looking at the cryptocurrency market. It shows you what is going on in the market every single time. It is amazing. It shows every single coin, every single information. They are the most legit source that I know of when I want to find out what's going on with the coin. You can also find out where a coin is trading and which markets it's trading in. So for example, here, if we go into here, we can click on markets, and here you're able to see where you're able to buy these different coins, right? So on here we can see Dogecoin is trading #1 Binance, right? Like I said, Binance is very popular, so Binance is on here. And as you can see, there is no Coinbase on this list, but here we go. You can see where and how you can buy these different coins. So CoinMarketCap is definitely where you want to be on, because it's literally the Bible of cryptocurrency. It tells you everything you need to know. It's like the dictionary. Every single information. It has the news, it has the coins, it has the information that you need. It tells you, what coins are doing well this week, today, and what coins are doing terrible. It's literally very detailed. So that was just one last thing I wanted to talk about, because I know that will be very helpful for you moving forward. Anyway, it was your boy Elijah. Stay tuned to this channel if you want any more information about cryptocurrency or any different coins coming up. I will be dropping a lot of different bangers. I have a lot in store for you very soon when it comes to the cryptocurrency world. A lot is going on, a lot is changing. Bitcoin is, moving in different waves, and the altcoins are supposedly going on a cycle where they're supposed to be doing well, because Bitcoin's dominance is supposed to be shifting towards the altcoin just a little bit in the next couple weeks, maybe a month. But anyway, stay tuned to my channel because I'll be dropping a lot of that information on here. So it was your boy again, Elijah. Thanks for stopping by. Let me know if this was helpful in the comment section. Ask me any questions you want. If you have any questions,